Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build a very simple and interesting circuit using very basic and cheap components. For this circuit, we are using a 100-watt incandescent bulb, a lamp holder, a fluorescent starter, a plug, and some wires. When we open the fluorescent starter, we can see that it contains a small neon lamp and a bimetal switch. These two components are connected in parallel inside the starter. Now, the idea of this circuit is very simple. We connect one side of the incandescent bulb directly to the mains, and the other side goes through the starter in series and then back to the power line. When we turn on the power, we can see that the 100-watt bulb starts blinking continuously. It turns on and off in a random pattern, creating a simple and cheap flasher circuit. The operation is based on the heating and cooling cycle of the bimetal inside the starter. When current flows, it heats up, opens the circuit, then cools down and closes again. This repeating cycle creates the blinking effect. One of the main advantages of this circuit is its simplicity and extremely low cost. It uses only basic components that are easily available. However, this is not a professional or stable design. The operation depends on mechanical heating inside the starter, so it isn't precise or reliable for long-term use. This type of circuit can be used for simple demonstration purposes, educational experiments, or decorative blinking lights, but it is not suitable for real industrial applications. So overall, this is a very basic electronic flasher built from a fluorescent starter and an incandescent bulb, showing how simple components can create interesting effects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting electronics experiments.